welcome to a special edition of Aussie Indian, and thanks for your company. This is a special edition in many ways. A Hindu temple was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, which is the heartland of Islamic religion. When we are seeing religious intolerance leading to mistrust and violence around us, this temple serves as a beacon of hope. And it shows what humanity can achieve when they set aside their differences and work together. This is one of the biggest temples to be built, and let's take a look at how this temple came about, the architecture and the design of the temple.
Welcome to the grand inauguration of the BAPS Hindu Mandir, Abu Dhabi. My name is Hari Krishna Patel, and it is my privilege to be your host today. Over the past year, I've had the honor of volunteering at the BAPS Hindu Mandir, serving in a capacity that has allowed me to witness the creation of the Mandir and witness firsthand the message of harmony this Mandir is bringing to the world. Today, I'm honored to be joined by Swami Adarsh Jivan Das. Having been given Diksha by Pramukh Swami Maharaj over 3 decades ago, he has been a Swami for 32 years. The Prime Minister is now walking towards a special and creative immersive experience which will showcase the construction of the Mandir and the message of harmony that it is bringing to communities, countries, and the world. This has been created by a global team of animators, sound engineers, and graphic designers under the guidance of a creative director, and will be open to all visitors starting from today. Within the immersive experience, visitors will step into a 12-minute audio-visual journey. There are 24 projectors which envelop all 4 walls and even the floor, creating a 360-degree canvas that immerses you directly into the heart of the Mandir's story. This immersive experience will highlight the beauty of the Mandir and the revival of 10,000 years of ancient art that this Mandir expresses.
इस मंदिर की निर्माण गाथा भी अत्यंत रोचक और रोमांचक है। 7 शिखरों से अलंकृत यह मंदिर यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स के 7 एमिरेट्स का प्रतिनिधित्व मानो कर रहा है।
The BAPS Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi to be an iconic and historic landmark. The Mandir has countless stories to tell, is a task in and of itself. And its story begins with a gift of land.
The story of the land in itself is incredible. Initially, His Highness the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi allotted us 2.5 acres of land in Al Watba on the road from Abu Dhabi to Al Ain. Then, without us even asking, they increased it to 5 acres. Then suddenly we got instructions that keep everything on hold. After a few months, we suddenly were informed 13.5 acres on the arterial road of Abu Dhabi to Dubai.
When the land was first received, we had already made the original concept designs. To see if that plan would be feasible, we did a geotechnical survey, and what we found was surprising. There was a 20-meter thick stone in the middle of the plot where the mandir was expected to be built.
When we started this project, we started really a surprise because before reaching the excavation level itself, we reached high rock I feel this is the first time in the GCC. More than 15 years I am working in GCC, and first time I find such a good
This is thousands of years of culture and human creativity and human wisdom and human faith, which is encapsulated in the expression of a temple. The real change is when different cultures deal with each other more respectfully, more equally, more fairly. And for me, that is an important expression of that, what we call rebalancing. I would take an enormous amount of, for me, a personal fulfillment at seeing this.
It's really piece of art. And this is a place of worship, whereas the whole people who are in the UAE will come and pray. Opening this temple in Abu Dhabi, people coming from all around the world to see the story which has been crafted on the building from different culture, from different country stories. It gives you that feeling of harmony and peaceful.
I have to say that this is the symbol of harmony that will stand the test of time for thousands of years into the future. This is the place for humanity.
A place of wonderful craftsmanship.
This is actually once in a millennia.
It's a temple of humanity.
Global symbol of harmony, of different cultures, communities coming together, and it's a symbol of faith.
Now let's see the Prime Minister of India arriving at the temple, who is being received by the High Priest.
The Prime Minister is now looking at the sub-fossil oaks. This mandir is not just a place of worship, but it is a living testament to national harmony. Here, an individual from the Czech Republic has donated 6 7,000-year-old sub-fossil oaks to share the message of unity across communities, across cultures and countries.
मंदिर के लोकार्पण समारोह के अवसर पर मंदिर के निर्माता प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप महंत स्वामी महाराज के साथ माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री स्मृति छवि ले रहे हैं। महंत स्वामी महाराज ने अबू धाबी में बने इस मंदिर के लिए कहा है कि ये रण में खिला हुआ कमल है, तो उसकी ही प्रतिकृति के रूप में कमल से बुना गया कलात्मक हार प्रकट ब्रह्म स्वरूप महंत स्वामी महाराज ने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री को पहनाया है और वे अपने आशीर्वाद माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री की प्रगति एवं यश के लिए दे रहे हैं। अत्यंत उष्मापूर्ण मिलन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री का परम पूज्य महंत स्वामी महाराज के साथ, उसके हम साक्षी बन रहे हैं। और अब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री मंदिर में विराजमान भगवान के अवतार स्वरूपों, अर्चा स्वरूपों के चरणों में पुष्पांजलि समर्पित करने के लिए पधारे हैं।
ओम श्री भगवते राधा कृष्णाय नमः। पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। नवीनझीमूतसमानवर्णं रत्नोल्लसत्कुण्डलशोभिकर्णं महाकिरीटाग्रमयूरपर्णं श्रीराधिकाकृष्णमहं नमामि।
BAPS संस्था के वरिष्ठ संत पूज्य स्वयं प्रकाश दास स्वामी जी पूज्य डॉक्टर स्वामी से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री मिल रहे हैं। मंदिर के कलात्मक स्तंभों का दर्शन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री कर रहे हैं। यहाँ खड़ा हुआ एक एक स्तंभ आकर्षक और अर्थपूर्ण है। कुल मिलाकर 402 स्तंभ यहाँ मंदिर में खड़े हुए हैं। उस एक एक स्तंभ पर कुछ न कुछ पौराणिक वैदिक कथाओं का शिल्पांकन हुआ है।
ओम श्री संकल्प सिद्धि स्वरूप गुरुवर्य शास्त्री महाराजाय नमः।
Welcome back. You are watching Aussie Indian and hope you are enjoying the highlights of the construction of the temple and the Prime Minister being received and shown around. And now we are going to bring you some of the speeches which were made, and first we are going to bring you the speech by the chief guest at that event. He is called the Minister of Tolerance. What an appropriate name. Let's hear what he has got to say.
Down memory lane and bringing all the moments that have come together to make this miracle in the desert happen. What we're witnessing today and the celebration today is in large part due to the generosity, the vision, the heart of the UAE leadership. They have been an integral role in guiding, supporting, and enabling this magnificent spiritual oasis of global harmony. Let us take a moment to truly experience and thereby also show our gratitude for all that the UAE leadership has done for the BAPS Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi.
His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan's unwavering commitment to tolerance, inclusion and harmony is felt by all citizens of the UAE today. The land upon which the Mandir stands is his generous gift which will enrich lives for generations to come. The leaders of the UAE have wholeheartedly supported the construction of this Mandir. Through regular meetings, dialogue and visits, the nation's leaders have encouraged and helped the building of the Mandir. Whether it be Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan's visit to Swaminarayan Akshardham, New Delhi, or Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan's relationship with His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj, it is their respect, friendship and generosity which has generated this home of harmony. Today, the BAPS Hindu Mandir stands as a beacon of the UAE's commitment to diversity and tolerance. The 7 spires of this Mandir, representing the unity of the 7 Emirates, and the sands of the 7 Emirates preserved in the temple, serve as a tribute to this country and its leaders.
To represent those great leaders, we have amongst us a great man who is a friend to many of us here in the audience. He is, of course, known by his title of being the Minister of Tolerance, but truly his greatest introduction is that he is the friend of all people, the friend of all cultures, a person who opens his heart to all the nationalities that make their home here in the UAE. And therefore, it is my great honor to request His Excellency Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan, the Minister of Tolerance, to please address this August Assembly, and for all of us to thank him and the leadership of the UAE for the beautiful nation preserving tolerance that the leadership has created. Your Excellency, the floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your kind welcome. Much appreciated. Your Excellency, Prime Minister Modi, Your Holiness, Mahant Swami Maharaj, Swami Eshwar Charan, Swami Baram Vihari, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Indian community in the United Arab Emirates. First, I am honored to join you this evening to express our great pride in the visit and participation of His Excellency, the Prime Minister of India, the Honorable Narendra Modi. Honorable Prime Minister, welcome to the United Arab Emirates. It is indeed an honor to have you visit our country and to work together to enhance and strengthen our great relations. We are proud to welcome you as a great friend, as a representative of a great and friendly country, India. Your visit to the UAE is a clear indication of the depth of the friendship, trust, and cooperation that has long existed between India and the United Arab Emirates and has been strengthened greatly by Your Excellency. Thank you, sir. On this blessed occasion of inaugurating this impressive temple, we recall your stirring words when you describe the philosophy of your government, together with all, progress for all. We also express our great confidence that your visit and your presence here this evening bode well for a future of mutual understanding, cooperation, peaceful pursuit, and joint ventures between our two countries. I'm also delighted to have the honor of joining everyone this evening in welcoming His Holiness Mahant Swami Maharaj to Abu Dhabi and to the United Arab Emirates. He is a renowned global leader whose teachings are a source of spirituality, inspiration, and joy and peace. When he says, and I quote, "In the joy of others lies our own." He is a powerful advocate for human harmony and brotherhood, as well as wholesome relations that are so essential to maintaining peace and coexistence around the globe. And thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for inviting me to join you for the inauguration of this impressive Bab's Hindu Mandir.
Back, you are watching Aussie Indian, and as promised, we are now going to bring you the address by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, after he inaugurated one of the biggest temples in the world at Abu Dhabi, the United Arab Emirates. Let's hear the Prime Minister.
और अब अवसर है हमारे लोक लाडले यशस्वी सम्मानीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी के प्रेरक संबोधन का, जिन्होंने भगवान श्री राम लला से लेकर भगवान श्री रामेश्वर तक, भगवान श्री काशी विश्वेश्वर से लेकर भगवान श्री महाकालेश्वर तक सनातन संस्कृति के इतिहास का एक सुवर्ण पृष्ठ संजोया है। विकास के नई भाग्य रेखा खींचकर जिन्होंने भारत के स्वर्णिम इतिहास का नूतन अध्याय रचा है और केवल भारत को ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व को एक ऐसा समर्थ नेतृत्व दिया है जिसकी आज विश्व को बहुत ज़रूरत है। और यहाँ उन्होंने न केवल दो देशों के बीच बल्कि दो संस्कृतियों के बीच एक सुदृढ़ सेतु की भूमिका निभाई है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपसे नम्र अनुरोध कि आप अपने प्रेरक संबोधन से इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर को अलंकृत करें। माननीय सम्माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी।
श्री स्वामीनारायण जयते। His Excellency Sheikh Nayan Al Mubarak, पूज्य महंत स्वामी जी महाराज, भारत, यूएई और विश्व के विभिन्न देशों से आए अतिथिगण और दुनिया के कोने कोने से इस आयोजन से जुड़े मेरे भाइयों एवं बहनों, आज यूनाइटेड अरब अमीरात की धरती ने मानवीय इतिहास का एक नया स्वर्णिम अध्याय लिखा है। आज अबू धाबी में भव्य और दिव्य मंदिर का लोकार्पण हो रहा है। इस पल के पीछे वर्षों की मेहनत लगी है। इसमें वर्षों पुराना सपना जुड़ा हुआ है और इसमें भगवान स्वामीनारायण का आशीर्वाद जुड़ा है। आज प्रमुख स्वामी जिस दिव्य लोक में होंगे, उनकी आत्मा जहाँ होगी वहाँ प्रसन्नता का अनुभव कर रही होगी। पूज्य प्रमुख स्वामी के साथ मेरा नाता एक प्रकार से पिता पुत्र का नाता रहा। मेरे लिए एक पितृतुल्य भाव से जीवन के एक लंबे कालखंड तक उनका सानिध्य मिलता रहा, उनके आशीर्वाद मिलते रहे और शायद कुछ लोगों को सुनकर आश्चर्य होगा कि मैं सीएम था तब भी, पीएम था तब भी, अगर कोई चीज़ उनको पसंद नहीं आती थी तो मुझे स्पष्ट शब्दों में मार्गदर्शन करते थे। और जब दिल्ली में अक्षरधाम का निर्माण हो रहा था तो उनके आशीर्वाद से मैं शिलान्यास कार्यक्रम में था। तब तो मैं राजनीति में भी कुछ नहीं था। और उस दिन मैंने कहा था कि गुरु की हम बहुत तारीफ तो करते रहते हैं, लेकिन कभी सोचा है कि किसी गुरु ने कहा कि यमुना के तट पर अपना भी कोई स्थान हो और शिष्य रूपी प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज ने अपने गुरु की उस इच्छा को परिपूर्ण कर दिया था। आज मैं भी उसी एक शिष्य भाव से यहाँ आपके सामने उपस्थित हूँ।
That was the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, addressing the gathering, and I hope you enjoyed this special edition of bringing you the inauguration of one of the biggest Hindu temples in Abu Dhabi of United Arab Emirates. And we are going to bring you such interesting news in the future as well. Look out for that, thanks to our media partner, Asia News International. We love to hear from you. Drop us a line. All the details are at the bottom of the screen. And also check out our social media pages, the YouTube as well as the Facebook. Once again, the details are at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for your company. I look forward to your company next week. Take care and bye for now.
अबू धाबी के हिज हाइनेस क्राउन प्रिंस भारतीय समुदाय के लिए मंदिर बनाने के लिए जगह देने का ये 125 करोड़ देशवासियों का सम्मान है।
From its very inception, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has supported, encouraged and willed this project. This mandir is the fruit of his friendship with the UAE and its leadership.